Hello guys and welcome back. In this lecture I will explain create statement. So this is one of the statement under data definition language. Okay, so let's understand what exactly create statement will do. What is the use of this create statement? Okay, so basically create statement in SQL used to create any new database object structures. Like if you want to create any table, if you want to create any views. Okay, if you want to create any indexes, we can create through this particular create statement. So without these create statements we cannot create these particular structures. Now in this lecture, first I will start with the table, then slowly we will move into remaining database objects. Now let's understand three things here. First, what exactly table, what is the prerequisites to create table, what is the rules for creating table. These things first we understand, then we will practically create table in database. So first understand what exactly table means. So tables are basic data storage units in database. With the help of these tables, we can store the data in the form of rows and columns. So every table associated with one table name. So each and every column associated with name along with the data type and size. So next, what exactly prerequisites to create table? So always as a developer, if you want to create any table, you should have some privileges like create table privileges or create any table privileges. Okay, so these two privileges will provided by DBAs. So next, understand what is the rules for creating table. So always table name, column name should begin with letter. It can be 1 to 30 characters long, and always table name must be unique. So table name can contain combination of capital letter A to Z, small a to Z, or 0 to 9 along with this underscore, hash, dollar symbol allowed. Okay, so table names and column names cannot be Oracle server reserve keywords. Even Oracle server also reserves some kind of keywords. Those things we cannot pass through table name. Okay, along with each and every column name must be unique. So table name and column names in database cannot contain space characters. So we'll see next what exactly syntax for creating table. So first always we declare create statement. After that we are here I'm creating table, right? So that's why I pass it as a table, then table name. So inside the table name we declare columns along with what type of data this particular column accept. We declare through data type along with how many characters this particular column accept. We declare through size. So we can declare as many as columns we want in this same format. Okay, now I will show you practically how to create table. So in this case I am creating one student table. Okay, now first what I will do, I will copy this syntax into SQL developer, then I will comment it out. By seeing this particular syntax we will create the student table. Okay, first I will comment it out. We can comment in two ways by using two minus symbol. These are single line comments. If you want to make it as a multi comments, use forward slash mention as star symbol. Same way it end star and forward slash. Now entire these multiple lines become a single comment. Okay, now I will do here. First we should pass this one create table, right? So first create table. After that each and every table having one table name. we should pass that one. In this case, I am passing students table. Okay. Then always we should open brackets. Then inside these brackets, we will declare columns. So in this case, we need student ID. It means each and every student having one student ID. So that one I declare as one column. So in my case, I am purely taking numeric format data. So that's why I declare my student ID column as number. So it accepts only 15 numbers length. So that's why I pass it as a 15 as size. Then each and every student having one student name. So I declare that one into another column. Now I will declare as varchar 2. So it means it will accept only string format data. Now 200 characters length as student name. So each and every student having one date of birth. I will declare as DOB. I will declare as this column as date. Then each and every student having date of joining. So that one also I declare date. So each and every student should pay fees. That one I declare as fees column. Then declare as number with precision. I already explained what exactly precision scales. Please refer data types section. Then pass address. Each and every student having one unique address. Then I declare as varchar to 500 characters. If you observe here carefully, each and every column ending with one comma. It means it is a comma separator. Now close these brackets and put it as a semicolon. Once you pass it as a semicolon, here it will terminate it. It means entire this statement considered as a one single statement. Okay. Now let's observe here rules. So always table name should start with letter. If you pass other than letters, it thrown an error. Even spaces also not acceptable, right? Whenever you pass spaces in table name, it thrown an error. Even columns also same category. So always column names also start with letter. Even spaces also not allowed. Okay. So this is one thing. Always column names must be unique. So in same column you declare multiple same columns, it thrown an error. So it's allowed some kind of special characters like dollar symbol. It's allowed in table name, either in column names. Okay. Dollar hash is allowed even in columns, even in table names, and underscores are allowed. So even spaces are not allowed in column names. If you want to space in between columns, always you will fulfill through this underscore. Okay. So these are the basic rules to create tables in database. Okay. Now we can execute in two ways. One way is by selecting this statement using this play button. Second way is using shortcut control enter. Now I am using this play button initially. Later I will explain shortcuts. Okay. Now I will use this play button. Now it here in result output, here we can able to see table students created. Okay. If you expand this particular schema, now here tables are not displayed. Once you disconnect this one and again if you reconnect it, then you can able to see that particular table. Okay. So this way we can create tables in database. Okay, so in next lecture I will explain alter statement, how alter statement works. So for better, you will refer exercise video also. In that exercise video I will provide some kind of assignments you will do in that assignments. Okay, so thank you guys.